Snoring is not normal. It is a sign of major issues happening in the body. Our ancestors didn't snore. They had wide faces, they had huge airways. What is going on in modern day society that we have so many people that are snoring? Top sleep doctors talk about airway position and the jaw, which I agree is a big component. But when I have a patient come into the clinic and I hear their main complaint is snoring, I know that there's also an entire body attached to this head and neck. I typically will also see a flared ribcage on either one side or both sides. These issues will also contribute to problems up at the neck and the airway. You need to make sure that you're looking at all of the pieces of the puzzle when treating anything, but especially something like snoring.